Hey, job seekers! Jobscan wants to help you keep your job search as organized as possible, and we also want to help you during the job interview process. So let's look at the job tracker and how it can help you keep organized. So after you've optimized your resume to a specific job description and a specific applicant tracking system, and you've got a cover letter that you are happy with, download these documents to a PDF to your downloads folder. If you haven't seen what that looks like yet, feel free to check out our other videos on our resume optimization and our cover letter generator before coming to this video. Once you downloaded your documents, you can start to put this into your job tracker with this button here, Track. Once you've clicked Track, you are prompted to validate everything that you are trying to save into your job tracker. So it's going to remind you that this is the job description that you have uploaded, this is the resume that you've optimized, and this is the cover letter that we've helped you to generate. If that all looks good, you can click Save, and then click out to see your job tracker. This is the application that we've just worked on. Once you have applied to this job, you can pull it over to our Applied section and set an application date. And once you get an interview, you can pull it over to the interview pile. If you click on Add an Interview, you can set the date and time for your interview, and you can sync this with your Google Calendar for reminders. One thing Jobscan wants to help you do is also get game day ready. So the day before your interview, we'll email you and say, hey, you have an interview tomorrow. Do you know who is interviewing you? Do you know what questions you're going to ask? Have you read up on the company? We'll give you some ways to get more prepared for the interview. The day after the interview, our tool will notify you again and ask, hey, how was that interview? How did it go? We'll also recommend some best practices for you. For example, we'll give you a sample thank you message that you can send to your recruiter or to the hiring manager via LinkedIn or email so that you can stand out as a candidate. Once that's done, if you get the offer, congratulations. Pull that over to the offer pile, add your salary information. You can also add the date that you have to accept the offer by so that you can take stock of everything that's on the table for you. So if you ever need to review the job description, the resume that you worked on, the cover letter that you submitted, you can always just click into this job. If a company has taken down the job posting from their careers page, you still have that information here in your job tracker to review. You can remind yourself of all of the things that you've put into your resume. And you can also remind yourself of what you put in the cover letter and what you've expressed to that company. If you want to take notes of the questions you're going to ask during the interview or things to follow up on, we have a notes section for you so that you can keep organized. So use our job tracker to keep track of everything that you're doing and all the jobs that you're applying to. We hope this helps you to keep organized, and good luck out there with your job search.